Apa gear tu boy? Oi, karo. Wow, basah weh. Right, hello. Right, change of plans. I know just now I said I didn't want to go to Genting after meeting my friends and tapi you know, things happen. And while I was like riding just now, fikir macam best kalau pergi Genting. So here I am, nak pergi Genting. Jangan tengok PC minyak jap. Macam ramai nak pergi Genting, aku tak tahu. Hopefully okay lah. There's like a scene where people go to Genting at night kan, because I've never actually been to Genting with this bike at night. So today I'm gonna go do that. Kita ke? Tak ada, sejuk ke? Lori bomba tu aircon dah sampai keluar. Rahim memang tu selamatkan perjalanan sampai ke Genting apa. The objective remains the same. I'm gonna try out my racing footrest. I think this should be a better circumstances kot to try out my racing footrest instead of just a boring highway. Malam je kerja tak buat kerja kot. Takkanlah malam je buat kerja kan. Tak ada kan. So usually kalau siang, hari Ahad, lagi time musim ada operasi ni, that's the spot where usually JPJ will have their roadblock. Apa gear tu boy? Jom. Oi, karo. Robek. Basah weh. You gotta be careful with that. Mahal heavy. Banyak pula gitu. Oh, ini pun throttle tak ada apa tu. Karak, siut lah. Do I need to upgrade to SBK? Woo! Jangan buat. Oh lama, banyak siut gitu. Mana geng tu fire ni? Tak ada pun. Oh. Going atas power. Betul lah dia orang kata Karak is not a place for 250. Sebab you pun throttle pun macam dah tak boleh pergi lah. Oh, but it's freaking cold. Oh, I wonder how's Genting, I wonder how's the weather out at Genting is gonna be like. Masuk pula. Oh, macam ada member je boleh lawan ke tak? Dah awal suku. Jangan masuk. Thank you. Wow, lori slow. Okay, don't do that. Jangan potong lane kiri. Quite dangerous. Wait, but just now yang I don't know what bike was that. I couldn't keep up with him. I think that was either 800 or 1000cc. Oh. Jangan. It was a bit scary. Jangan masuk. Thank you. Asal banyak kereta ya? Ada pun tupai. Wow. Woi, banyak woi kereta. Come there, a lot of cars. Lorry as well. Ah! Thank you. Baru kat situ. Wow. Okay, inilah corner. Alah, ada kereta pula. Outside boleh kot. Outside lah. Oh shit. Bad move. Don't go outside. Wow, yo, a lot of cars. Ni apa doh? Oh, ada lori slow. Tak boleh layan sangat dah. Alah. But it's okay lah. Maybe on my way back it's gonna be like a whole lot better kot. Hopefully. Shit lah. Banyak gila weh lori. This is not ideal. Buses semua. Hari bekerja aku pun tak tahu lah. Water treatment plant. Tiba water treatment plant. Foothill of Genting. Ni pajak. Piram. Kencing ke? Holy shit bro. Guys taking a piss. I think please don't do that. Oh, nice car bro. Ni apa? City hatchback. I think these are city hatchbacks. Hey, is it still recording?